everyone, it's Arlene from Arlene's Creations, and today I'm going to show you how I am going to be making a Dreamcatcher wall hanger. And it is for a baby shower that's coming up at the end of this month. So what you'll need to make a Dreamcatcher is you're going to need a hoop. You're going to need some doilies that will fit inside the hoop. Now you can use metal hoops of any size. For this particular doily that I want to use, I'm using this orange hoop. You're going to need some material to wrap the hoop with, and then some yarn. And as you can see, I have all different doilies, all different shapes, all different sizes. So this is going to be a Dreamcatcher themed baby shower. So basically, just all of the Dreamcatchers are going to be like a white and an off-white, and then the colors are going to come in, you know, towards the bottom with all the embellishments on the bottom. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this material that I bought at Joann's craft store, and I'm just going to be cutting it into strips, and I'm just going to tear it straight up because it's cotton and it just tears real nice. So I'm just going to make strips like that and tear. And I probably only need 3 or 4 to cover the orange hoop. I do end up covering it twice. So I covered it once and then went around it again. So I'm just going to take my hot glue gun and I'm going to put a little glue on the back. And I'm just going to start wrapping my material. And I want that little design, not that you're really going to see it, but I just wanted that little design to be on the outside. This did come with another orange hoop inside. I guess it's what you do needlepoint with. So I already used that one to make another Dreamcatcher, which you'll see. At the end, I do put up all the pictures of the ones that I have made so far. And then when I get to the baby shower at the end of the month, because it's out of state, I'm going to put them all together, and you know, so I have to still figure out how I'm going to be placing them. But for right now, I'm just going to keep on wrapping around the hoop, and then that's where it ends. So I'm just going to secure it with some hot glue and then start with the next piece. And like I said, I'm just going to cover the entire hoop. And see how you could still see the orange through it? They didn't have white ones. They either had orange or blue or a green, like neon colors. If they would have had white, I could have only done one, you know, one wrap around, because then it's white underneath. But I didn't want to take any chance of the orange showing through after I added the yarn going around it. So I actually did two layers of the fabric. So, just going to keep doing that around and around and around. And I'm just loving the way they're coming out. Like, I wasn't too thrilled about this baby shower theme to begin with, because I never heard of it before. I've never seen it. But then once I saw it, I fell in love with it. So I'm really enjoying doing this. I don't know if you've seen the other videos. I did the Winter Wonderland baby shower for my niece Danielle, which came out absolutely beautiful, gorgeous. And then I did the farmhouse rustic theme for my niece Brittany, who just had her baby, and that one was beautiful as well. So I'm getting a lot of experience doing baby showers with the kids in the family. All right, so the hoop now you can see is totally wrapped twice, so you can't see any orange. Now I'm going to take this really pretty, like fluffy looking yarn. See how it's not regular yarn? It like has the like fluffy coming out. I just thought it was really pretty. And up there in the right hand corner, you can see other ones that I already made. I just have them stacked on top of each other. So now I just tied that in a knot, in a triple knot. And now I'm just going to go around with this really cool, pretty yarn. And I'm not doing it tight you know, close together because I want the material to show underneath. So I'm just, you know, like every half inch or so, I'm just going around the whole hoop with the yarn. And all the hoops I'm doing are different. I didn't want it to be all just one thing. Like, so each one I'm doing a different texture, a different yarn, a different fabric, but it's all in the white and, you know, antique white type of a theme. And then all the hangings from below are going to be the white, the antique white, like this teal blue green, really pretty, like a teal, and then with the light pink. So I can't wait to get that part of it done. But that part will be done when I get to Georgia at the end of the month, and then I'll take a separate video of me putting it together and adding all the embellishments on the bottom. I do have a picture coming up at the end of what I'm trying to achieve, but that is not my picture. That picture I found on Pinterest, and the woman actually sells them on Etsy. So on the opening thumbnail on the front of this video, I put her Etsy page. So that is not my creation. That's another woman's, and if you'd like to buy one from her, that's where she sells them. So now that it's totally wrapped, I'm just going to cut that. And even though that top part sticks out a little tiny bit because of that's how you secure the hoop shut, I'm going to be tying, when I put it together with another hoop, that's where I'm going to put it together, so you're not going to see that little lump there, so you're not going to see that. So I'm just ending that with some glue because I didn't want to tie it. I just wanted to glue it to make sure it's secure. And so that's how that comes out. Now this is the doily that I'll be putting on the inside. And what I'm going to do is I have this plastic needle, and it makes life so much easier. And I'm just taking this white, it's almost like it's not a waxy thread, it's like a material thread. Like a string, but a nicer string, and it's really nice. So now what I'm doing is I'm finding the top of the center. So you see the flower, the point on the top, I'm just going to put that through, and I'm just going to thread it because those holes are so small. I would have never gotten it through one of those holes on the doily without that needle. So now I'm just, yeah. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the center top of the hoop, and I'm just going to tie. I'm going to tie it in a knot. I'm going to like double and triple knot it. And then I'm going to do the bottom, and then I'm going to do the two sides. And then I do more just to totally secure the whole entire doily inside the hoop. There was actually one that doily was like ripped at the bottom. I don't know if it's this one or the next one. But when I went to tie it, it didn't stay in. Oh, I think it's the next one. So then I had to find another hole because like the doily was ripped. And I just picked up these doilies at my nearest thrift shop. All the doilies for all of these, plus I still have more. The lady charged me $8 for all of them. So they do sell them at Michael's. They do sell them at Joann's, but they're so expensive. They're like, for that little tiny one, for that hoop, was like $4.99 for a doily. And I got such beautiful and bigger ones, and the lady charged me $8 for all of them. So as a matter of fact, I still need a few more. So I'm going to run to my thrift store sometime this week and get some more, because I just want, even just to make some to hang for decorations around the room at the shower. I think this is where it pulled through. Yeah, see, it's not attached to the doily. So I have to find another hole to put it in. But yeah, so you just, I mean, I don't know how to weave, which I'm going to try to learn how to do that tonight, because I have a real small hoop that I want to do, and I don't have a doily small enough for it. I think it's like a 3-inch. I think the one that I'm doing now is like a 6 or a 7-inch. So I'm going to actually try to weave one later. And I'm not going to film it. If I can do it, then I have to do like 3 or 4 of them, and then I'll film it afterwards. But the finished product, you're not going to be able to see till the end of July, till after the shower. So I'm just showing you how to just basically do the hoop part. And if you just wanted to make a dream catcher just to hang in a kid's bedroom or to hang in your bedroom, you could do any size. And then all you have to do is just hang some beads and stuff from the bottom, and hang some, you know, feathers. You can hang whatever you'd like from the bottom. But this is the basic way how to do the hoop. And like I said, I wasn't crazy about this theme to begin with, but I'm absolutely loving it. Like, I'm just having so much fun making these. Because when I first saw them, I'm like, how do people weave that intricate design inside of the hoop? I'm like, I'll never be able to do this. Like, there's no way I can do this baby shower. And then I was watching this young lady. She's from Australia. She makes the most beautiful dream catchers on the planet. And she weaves a lot of hers, don't get me wrong, but she was using doilies. I said, oh, that's what they are, doilies. Like, who would have thunk it? I know I said thunk. So see, now that I have that, now I'm going to do the middle. I'm going to do inside of each one. So see, so I stretched it out, and I did the 4, you know, up and down and onto the side, and then I did in the middle of each one of those. Now this is another one that I made. This is another one. I love this one. And I take better pictures later, so you'll see them at the end. This one is gorgeous. So pretty. Love, love, love that one. And I'm just so excited to put the whole thing together to see how it's going to look. I think it's going to look fabulous. I'm so excited and I just can't hide it. I know I'm crazy. So anyhow, now I think this is where I go to show you the pictures. Oh, I might be videotaping it. I forget. Because I'm doing a voiceover right now. So, all right, so here we go. Oh, it is a video. So see, this one is the first one that I made, and I started hanging the stuff from the bottom, but I'm going to take all that off because that's actually going to go in the middle. There's going to be other ones that go underneath it. So there's that one. Super cute. That one I'm loving. This one's gorgeous. I just love, 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 love that one. So pretty. And then that was different type of, you know, like fuzzy yarn. Not even yarn, it was string with those fuzzes hanging off of it that I wrapped around the material. So you could do any colors that you want. This one's real. I love this doily so much, but the doily, I have to fix it. So I'm going to take thread. See that spot right there? It like came apart, so I'm actually going to fix that. I was watching a video on how to fix it, and that one I actually glued because it was like so thin and it's so fragile, but I just loved it that I had to use it. So there's actually 2 pieces on this one that I'm going to mend. So that will be fixed. And this is my favorite. Look how gorgeous that one is. I am so in love with that one. And that one just has yarn wrapped around the material, and I just love, love, love that doily, the way it comes to all the points. So I think once they're all put together and, you know, fastened together, and then with all the streamers hanging from the bottom, they're going to look gorgeous. Now, this is what I got for the bottoms. So everything is turquoise and a light pink, so I got some beads. I actually got some white feathers too, but I forgot to bring the feathers out. And then all these nice different types of ribbon to hang from the bottom in the pink, and then that's like in the video it looks like it's light blue, but it's not. It's teal. That nice chunky yarn in the back, and then some more nice white ribbon in the pink, and then that's that fuzzy string stuff to hang from the bottom. So all of this is going to be hanging from the bottom of the Dreamcatcher once I get all the pieces attached and put together. So I think it's really going to look nice. And I might have to pick up a few more teal things, but for the most part, you get the gist. So stay tuned for the finished result of this. That'll be at the end of the month. And again, here's just some pictures, still pictures of each one that I made. And I still have about 4 more to make. So, but they're smaller. So I got 1 more medium size and then a couple of smaller ones. So, yeah, so that's it. Well, I appreciate everybody watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please like it. Please share it. And hit that notification bell so that you'll be able to see my next video when it comes out, which will be Tuesday when I'm making the soap. So thanks everyone for watching, and everybody have a happy 4th of July and have a great day. Thank you so much. That's what I'm striving for. So wish me luck, everyone. Bye-bye.